it is already time to get started for the race day tournament. So sorry for not uploading for the race video because I was actually working for more gaming video. So our next gaming video will start tomorrow, and these are the 8 cars will be going to the race day tournament. But only one group is this one. These are your first 4 cars will be go to the next race. Then the next one will start from 3 days later. So first up we got the blue Corvette racer. You saw this one actually in the last tournament. But no, that's not from the police tournament. That was from the elimination tournament. The next up we got another car from the elimination tournament. It's a 69 Chevelle. This one is actually green tune version, and yeah, that's just only the 69 Chevelle. So next up we got the rally truck. This is a Doom Crasher. The Valzine, this is a 68 truck, and this one is from the rally truck. Last up we got a Major 6C3 WRC. This one is actually red, made by Major Hot Wheels. So this one is actually a live and is a live car. So who will actually win? Only there's only like 5 laps a day. There are only 4 cars, then 5 laps. So here the cars going to the first race. Here we go. Wow, Corvette is in the race. And whoa. Looks like Corvette is actually slow and not gonna make it. Somehow the curve is actually not doing good today. So look at the other cars not making around. Let's just restart the race. Here we go for the second race. Here we go for the restart. And the first, and Corvette Racer will take the win again. And let Doom Crasher will take second, and Tonight is in third. So actually, Corvette is actually good at blue for the second race. So you will just go in the second place. Right, here we go for the second race. That's over tight. And the Blizz. And no one's doing this again, the Blizz. Well, 69 Chevelle makes it around. And look how fast the car is. It's very, very slow. So the other car is not making it again. Somehow, this one is kind of very slow car. Let's just go to the next one. Alright, let's just go to the third race. Here we go. But look how fast this car is. And look at Doom Crasher makes it around by Corvette Racer. And somehow Citroen always not passing the finish line. Okay, let's just go to the fourth lap. Okay, let's just go to the next race. Citroen is actually going first place. Whoa, Corvette Racer is too fast. Oh, look how fast Corvette Racer is, and we'll just go to the final race. So far, Citroen is so slow, never passed the finish line. So I don't know what lap is it right now. I'm just gonna check the time now. Alright, let us go to the final lap. This is the lap 5. Alright, this one is Corvette Racer. And Corvette Racer take the last race followed by 69 Chevelle will go to the next race. And where I don't know where Citroen is. Let's just find where it is. And there it is, wrecking in the final curve right there. So this is the final lap, and that's all for today for today's race. So next video will be playing Dumble Racing Time. Let's just play other games this time. I will be playing Pixel Run in gaming video time. So these 2 cars are going to go to the next round. 69 Corvette Racer in the blue car, and 69 Chevelle in the green two car. So this is the next race for today. It is going to be Ford GT40, El Camino, the Governor, and Porsche 911 Jeep. And it's going to be Porsche 917 LH. That will be coming up in the next race video. So sorry for not uploading our race video again because I was actually been waiting for the Minecraft video with Josh and he said he's gonna come here, but no, I don't know when he's gonna come here. That will be the specialist Minecraft gaming video for me and Josh in the next one. So thanks for watching this video for today, and see you all in the next video. But before we end this video, Citroen C3 always somehow Super always never pass the finish line. So that car is not meant to be going to the next tournament or the next race anymore. That car is banned from the race tournament. So this video is finished now. So see you guys on the next video.